What's up, guys? Ron Trips here. We got the Gato here making a special guest appearance. As you can see, you read the title, you read the thumbnail, you can see what's going on right here. We've got these absolutely dusty and crusty Yeezy 380s in the Onyx colorway. These are one of my favorite shoes, even though the expensive price tag, these are one of the best shoes I have. I absolutely love these. I'm working on getting another pair in the Yeezy colorway. It's all white and gray, and the stripe and the sole have a little orange. I call them the creamsicles. Really want that pair. But right here we have the Onyx. You can see I also have the box. Let's take a quick look at the box first. It's just a regular 380 box. It's just a Yeezy box. Yeezy Boost 380 made by Adidas. It's got the slidey. Came with brown tissue paper. Nothing special. As you can see, I got a size 10.5 US, which is my true to size. Anyways, now to the actual sneakers. You can see I have absolutely beat the crap out of these things due to them being incredibly comfortable, easy to slip on. I got the Onyx colorway, so you know, it goes with any outfits. Of course, it's like an evolution over the 350s with the same cushy boost, low top, mesh upper with the laces. But the new changes over these to the 350s, of course, the sole is not ribbed like that anymore. The tread on the bottom is new and improved. I think it's a lot better. Definitely a lot better, a lot more grippier, in my humble opinion. And the infinity laces as well, which I think is just fantastic. And of course, how, for lack of a better term, the foothole opens up. It doesn't have the big lips. It just fits nice on there. While you're wearing it, it just fits snug around your foot, which I like a lot better. All of these changes and improvements over the 350s make this just a better shoe. Anyways, less about opinions. Let's go over the details of the shoe. Of course, it's got the knit upper, which is nice and comfortable. It has some padding here in the heel. You can see the heel is nice and structured. However, the front of the shoe, you know, fits like mesh. One thing with the infinity laces, of course, underneath this bit of rubber, they are glued and stitched together. You can't change what lace hole it goes into. If you want to cut the laces and replace them with the replacement laces, you can put them through different holes, get different styles. But I love the infinity lace, so I'm keeping them this way. The sole with the boost foam in it is considerably thicker than 380s or 350s. As we can see, let's compare it to a pair of 350s here. You can see the boost foam is considerably thicker in the front of the foot, the middle of the foot. The heel seems pretty similar, but generally there's just more boost foam, and it's just straight up more comfortable. Also, the shape of the sole, having this lift in the back, definitely makes it a better walk, more comfortable in general. The 380 is just a straight up big improvement over the 350. And now for the on feet segment. These guys fit me true to size. I know many people get them a half size up. You can go with either or if you like a tight, secure fit, or if you like them a little loose. But I would recommend you could go and try one on. You know, a lot of sneaker resale stores just have 380s because they're not very popular, and Yeezys are pretty easy to find. Either way, if they're nice and snug or a little loose, it's still gonna be mad comfortable. Get your steps in, get some extra cardio, and I'll see you guys in the next ep.